Hello, good morning. In this video, we will learn how to use Google Doc to create quiz or to assess the students online. To start the Google Doc, first of all, we just open Google Drive by typing drive.google.com. But before going through, you must be aware that every person who have Gmail account they can use Google Doc. I have opened this drive here because my account is already login there, so there is no requirement to login again. But if your account is not login there in the system, then it will ask about the Gmail account and password. You will just enter your email ID or password, means your credential, to login into the drive. Then we click on new option, which is here. After getting new, a drop down list will be there with Google Docs option is there. You will just sub click on blank document. You can also create the same from the templates. Many templates are there, like all these templates are here. These are lesson plan, resume, letter, project, proposal, etc. But we just use blank. This option can be used from here also. You can use just new, click on Google Docs, then we can click on blank document. Blank document save facility is also there. From here, when you have a document, if you have any questions already there with you, then you just click on add ons. Sorry, to if you have already a document, then you just click on file, then open that document which is there. You can find that you can upload that document from my drive. You can also share, you can also get from recent, or you can also upload from your system onward if that document is also there. But I have a document in my drive, so I just find out my document and then click on open here. Open is there. After getting all those questions which are already in my document, all are displayed in my document, then to create a quiz, here I click on add ons, then click on doc to form. But some systems have not these options are there. To add this option or the doc to form, you just click on get add ons. A dialog box will be appear from where you can choose those options that this is doc to form. You just click on this and then click on install. I have already installed, so uninstall is there. But if that option is not there in the system, then install is there. You just click on install and that function will be added in your add-ons menu. Then you click on doc to form. Create form from doc means we want to create a form from the document. Option is there. A dialog box will appear in the right side from where you can choose a form. It will ask some option like forum option, collect username means you want to collect the username, means their mail ID, whether you want to ask the name of the participants, whether you want to ask the teacher name. You can select from here and then move further. To move further here, as you see, here we have some options like use select question number 1, use selected text, means if you want to add a question, you just select the text, then click on use selected text. That will be displayed in the box. Then in type, we have many options like paragraph, like multiple choice, checkbox, choose from a list. Means you can create your question which have the answer or text type, a paragraph type. You can also create a quiz with multiple choice. You can also use checkbox, or you can also use a drop down list from where you can get it. I am just for sampling use multiple choice. Then you choose all the sub option from here, copy that text and paste here. then you just remove the sub option A, B, C, D from here, and then to create the options you just put semicolon. Here it is already defined that separated with semicolon. We just put the semicolon in the first three options, not required in fourth one. I just use create form. You can add many questions, but limit of 10 questions are there in Google Form. Add question, you just click and then put the another question here from this one, like, then put use selected text, and then put all the options like multiple choice are here. These are from here. I will just copy the text, then click on option. Sorry, I just use the option to create sub option. Put semicolon at the end in first three options. Then click on create form. A form will be created there. Option will be here. After loading it will show success, means our form is ready. Then you can just click on view form. Then this is the form which is ready for you. Here you can also change your name. Suppose I want to change the name as NVS online quiz. Then you can also change here the name which you want to, like GN. Then these are the questions. You can also use your descriptions here. You can write down any name like GNV daily. You can write down here. Then you can also add more question here by using this option. Then you can just write down your question here, like you want to add, you want to get the name of the students, just write write your name. Then it is short answer, means you want to get the answer will be filled by the students in short manner. Then you just write down short answer, choose from here. If that field is compulsory essential, then you choose write required. Then you can add more option here like GNV name or district. Then short answer is there, then you can click on required. Here you can create subsections, like in the first section we just want to know about the name and GNV, then you just click on add section. A partition will be there, section 1 will be there from here to here, means 2 questions will be required. Then in the next section you just write a quiz section. You can write the text which you want. Then questions may be added by using this one. Here I want to add the question. Suppose from here you just click on question. Then you can add your choice as per your requirement. Short answer is there, paragraph is there, multiple choice is there, checkbox is there, drop down is there. File upload means sometime in a question we have the requirement to upload a file or picture. From here you can upload easily. Linear scale means you can also, you want to get the feedback of the students in points. For the same we can use linear scale. Multiple choice grid, multiple choice grid can be used to get the response from the students. Suppose we want to the response from the student, that which time is suitable for them for the class. Just here I have used multiple choice. Choose your time for suitable for class. Then we just write down here the name of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. Then write down here, suppose 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m. Then require a response in each row. You can choose and then click on preview. As we click on preview, it will show how your quiz look like. This is the first section which we have already created, and then we have the second section. Here all these information are required there, like you just enter the detail and then move to the next section. Here from here I am just going to move. This is the GNV, this is the name of I just of this requirement. Then you need not to fill all these requirements, means you can move further without choosing these options. Here these are the questions, and this is the question where I have used as linear scale. You can choose here like this one. This is the time. Then you have also the feasibility to change this mode, like this mode is in option form. You can create it in checkbox form, then it will look like a edge. You can also change this one from multiple choice grid to checkbox grid, then it will look like this. These are the options which you can choose from here. You can also import questions from any other file. You can also add title and descriptions to the file, like this one. If you click on this, it will ask about the title name or the section of your query. You can also upload a file, or you can add image from here. You can add video from here. You can add section from here. Means these are the options which are available for the user. Then we have the customized theme. Customized theme provide you the option to customize your quiz. From here you can choose an image for the header. Some images are already there which is in the form of templates. Just I have chosen, suppose this picture I have chosen, then I click on insert. You can upload the picture from your computer. You just click on upload, click on browse, and then you can choose the picture which you want to insert here from the section. Means these options are available for the user to choose. Suppose I have chosen any picture from here, like we have chosen this picture. Then you can set this picture as a header of your, yes, it will be set as your header picture, like here, this one. Now you can add more options, like you can add theme color from here. You can also add other pictures or a background color. You can also choose font color from here to set the quiz. Then you can have some setting option from here. Some general settings are there, like collect email addresses. Means if you want to collect the mail address of the users, then you just click on this one, and response received, means how many requests can be accepted from the respondent. Require sign in, limit to one response, means a user can submit only a single time that quiz. Whether the facility of editing the quiz after submitting is allowed, you can just choose, or you can unmark it. Then you can just save all the changes. Then in the next section we have presentation. In presentation it will show the show progress bar, show shuffle question order. Then we have some message which we want to display after submitting the document. Suppose I have write down, thank you for submitting the quiz. Then save again. Then you can also choose the quiz option. This is very important for all the user to make it as a quiz. Make this a quiz, you can just select. Then you can choose quiz option like immediately after each submission, means when the user submit the application, it will release the grade. or later you can choose as per your requirement. Respondent can see what the user can see: missed question, correct answer or point values. You can make it check or uncheck as per your requirement. Then click on save. As we choose this option or save this option, a dialog box, another option will be added here, like answer key you just choose. Then you click the points to the question and also choose the right answer which is applicable for the user, and then click on done. Then in the another question, as you click on answer key is also there, you can choose the answer key and then also point to the question, then click on done. After that, your quiz is ready to share with the students. To share this quiz to with your students, you just click on send. You can send this quiz through email ID. If you are using email ID, then just enter email ID of the students. You can also copy the link. You just click on copy. You can then send this link to the user, or you can embed this on your email ID or your website to embed it as a form. You can also share this form through Facebook or Twitter account also. This is all for the user, or this is all for the learning session on Google Doc, which you can be used to access the students. Have a nice day. Thank you.